I'm Jeff Moss. This is engineering at A.T. Ferrell. Basically, engineering at A.T. Ferrell started back before 2D prints were even used in industry. Back in 1869, when we opened our doors, it was a one-man, one-build machine operation. And as the company progressed up through the 1940s, we have our earliest prints shown up here. Those are dated from 1940 on. We went into 2D representations of our engineered stuff, equipment, and we stayed in 2D up through the mid-1990s. Today, however, we use exclusively 3D modeling design, and as you see on the left screen here, this is a recent prototype of a machine that's currently going through prototype out on the floor. We do all the modeling long before we put it out on the shop floor to make sure that our equipment actually works. We have better control of fit, form, and function with 3D modeling than we've ever had before. We can also produce photorealistic on-screen representations of our product before we even build it. As you see on the wall around us, we have actual screen capture photos that can be provided to our sales and marketing people straight out of the computer. And by doing that, we're able to give our customers input into our design process before we freeze the design for production. During the design, in order to determine whether or not we are building a product that will be durable, we're able to do design analysis that provides us with input on whether a machine part will survive the rigors of use. This particular part is a motor mount, and what you see is the final analysis of the initial part, and the red areas indicate areas that are basically not going to survive function when you turn the machine on. So to redesign that so that it will survive, we placed a couple of reinforcing ribs into that part, made it an assembly, and the welded assembly tested for loads during operation show no red deformities. And we basically, by doing this in the computer, save a lot of time and effort. Our computer has the ability to give us exploded views of the parts, and every single part that goes into the machine is in fact part of the model. We are then able to look at what the customer asks us to do with respect to what his needs are, and Cameron can design programmable logic into the computer or into the machine while it's in the computer to give our customers better control of the actual functionalities of the machine. Instead of walking through the machine or around the machine to start up at the beginning of a shift for 5 to 10 minutes, they can push a single button and the computer logic controls can then walk around the machine for them and have it set up and running in less than a minute. That can save them a lot of production time. So basically, at A.T. Ferrell, the three things we like to convey to people is we produce with 3D documented design. We are able to provide quality photo rendering and give photographs to our sales and marketing people before we even go to production. And we can also provide digital logic control of the machine functions throughout the process of using machines, giving our customers better control of the challenges in their daily business productivity.